This topic is about time frames. Time frames are an important part in trading. There are several time frames we can see on the chart. It's monthly, weekly, daily, 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart, and so on. Some people use 2-hour charts, 6-hour charts, 8-hour charts, but I don't see any point to use these charts, as these classical time frames, they are enough for trading. Remember that each time frame has their own picture, their own candlestick structure, their own levels, and own signals. And we have to connect all these time frames into one picture. We have to keep in mind what is happening on each time frame. That's why I recommend to trade only one currency pair or maximum 2 currency pairs, because keeping in mind all these pictures, all these structures from all time frames, it's quite difficult, especially for day trading. For example, what we have here monthly chart and weekly chart, and we see that pictures on these both time frames are different, levels also different. So we have to before trading, we have to analyze the market from the highest time frame, because the highest time frame is more important in trading than the lowest. If you see a signal on the highest time frame, it means that the aims of this time frame, of this signal, will be reached exactly on this time frame. So as an example, for example, you see a signal on monthly chart here, double O, for example. This double O, it's a buy signal on monthly chart, and aims of these time frames are on monthly chart. In this case, these are moving averages. If we see this signal on weekly chart, where is that? Yeah, here it is. This low on monthly chart is this low on weekly chart. We can see that they on weekly chart, they worked the aims of weekly chart. Here we see reached moving average, and then they continued the trend up. Why? As there is no actually good signals for buy, it is difficult signal on weekly chart, but there was a perfect signal on monthly chart. That's why they reached moving averages on monthly chart. But on weekly chart, it's not really visible that they reached these aims. If you trade only weekly chart, you could close orders here. But if you see the signal on monthly chart, the aims are a bit higher. The market could go also higher than these moving averages and reach these levels, but they stuck here in the middle of moving averages. The same is happening on daily chart. We see absolutely different picture, and if we see a signal on daily chart, we work it. We work this signal, and we have to keep in mind what is happening on the highest time frame on weekly chart. What is there? If we see here a signal for sell on daily chart, we have to understand this picture on weekly chart. Will this sell signal work perfectly on daily chart or not? There are situations with connections, time frames, when the direction of the market is different. When daily chart, for example, give a direction, uptrend direction, but on 4-hour chart, for example, in this structure, for example, here we see this is an uptrend on daily chart, this one, but on 4-hour chart we can see a corridor trading and no uptrend direction. Here we see a signal, this zone, that 4-hour chart gives a signal for sell and changing direction for downtrend. But on daily chart, it's just a sign that the trend is finishing, and direction on daily chart can be changed, but no guarantee that it will be changed. And in a result, they continued the trend. Here, in this picture, they just in this situation they broke 55th moving average, give a sign that they will reverse the trend, but here they reversed back, hold the price above moving average and continue trend up. You have to keep in mind that if you trade 4-hour chart signal, but on daily chart there are no signals or just expectation of the signal in the same direction of 4-hour chart. For example, to be more clear, 4-hour chart here gives a signal for sell, and the aim of this signal is at least this low. Let's zoom it more visible. The aim of this sell signal is this low, somewhere here. But on daily chart we don't see any sell signals right here. We just expect that market can go lower. There is a sign that they give a signal for sell, but in this situation moving averages are still looking opened up. The 21st is higher than 55th. So in this situation we see here market, if we sell here, market worked 4-hour chart aims here and bounced from these aims for a rollback and for reversing the 4-hour chart trend right here. On daily chart, it's just a picture of trend continuation of this previous trend. This is a trend, this one, and this is just a confirmation to continue the trend up. So connect all these time frames into one, and in a result you will find this key of correct trading, and you will start to make profit on Forex if you connect all these time frames. It's very important to understand what is happening on each time frame. So if you want day trading, let's open day trading. In day trading we have to analyze also all time frames, absolutely all, from daily chart to 5-minute chart. If we take 4-hour chart, we see here double low. We go to 1-hour chart, we see here a structure of candles, and we have to understand what exactly is this structure means. And on 5-minute chart we check the situation, how market moves, and search for a better price to enter exactly from 1-hour chart structure and 4-hour chart structure, and understand what is happening also on daily chart. So I think it's clear with time frames. Just in 2 words quickly, connect all the time frames, understand the picture of each time frame, what is happening, what signals is giving on each time frame, and connect all these signals from monthly chart to 1-hour chart, and you will see the difference of signals. If all signals says that on every time frame there are buy signal, so it's a very strong signal for buy. If monthly chart give a buy signal, weekly buy signal, daily sell signal, 4-hour chart sell signal, so this is just a correction on weekly chart, or we have a reversal trend on daily and 4-hour chart, and so on. You just analyze these structures and search where you can trade, where the market gives an opportunity to work, and in a result you will get profit from Forex.